Have you ever wondered why the nails you save on Pinterest always look so thin, soft, and natural? But when you do your own, something just feels off. Maybe they look a little bulkier than you wanted, or they just don't have that elegant, expensive look you're going for. The good news is, it's probably not your polygel. It's usually just a few small technique mistakes. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how I make my Lazy Girl nails look thinner and more natural. And throughout this video, I want you to remember one thing. We're not trying to build a nail, the tip already did that. We're just refining it. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is forgetting that the full cover tip always has shape built into it. It already has an apex, it already has a curve, it already has a structure. But many beginners treat the tip like a blank canvas and start piling on product. Before they know it, they have buried the shape that made the tip look natural in the first place. That's why I always remind myself, we're not trying to build a nail, the tip already did that, we're just refining it. This one hurts a little because most of us have done it. We think, if I add more product, the nail will be stronger. But usually, all we're doing is making the nail thicker. Most Lazy Girl nails need far less product than beginners expect. A small amount is often enough. Removing excess product after curing is much harder. One of the easiest ways to keep your nails looking natural is simply starting with less. Another mistake is pressing the polygel around too aggressively. Think of it like frosting a cake. The harder you push, the more product gets squeezed into places it doesn't belong. That can create bulky sidewalls and thick cuticle areas. Instead, let the alcohol and the brush do most of the work. You're guiding the product, not wrestling with it. A lot of people think natural looking nails must be fragile, but that's not actually true. Strong nails don't need to be thick everywhere, they need structure in the right places. Most of your strength comes from the stress area. That's usually around the midsection of the nail. The cuticle area can stay thinner, the free edge can stay thinner. That's how natural looking nails stay strong without looking bulky. If there's one area that instantly makes nails look fake, it's a thick cuticle area. The product should blend into the natural nail instead of creating a noticeable bump. A bulky cuticle catches light differently, it photographs differently, and it's one of the first things people notice. I always try to leave space at the cuticle area so when I press down, the polygel naturally fills up that space, and that usually reduces flooding of the cuticle, which then creates a natural looking cuticle line. Many beginners file the surface of the nails and call it a day, but the areas that usually make the biggest difference are the sidewalls, cuticle area, and free edge. Every file stroke should have a purpose. I'm constantly asking myself, am I refining the shape or am I removing product? Intentional filing can completely change how thick a nail looks. This might be the most important tip in the entire video. Most beginners only check their nails from the top, but nails aren't viewed from one angle in real life. I always check the top, the side, and straight down the barrel of the nail. Sometimes a nail looks perfect from above, but bulky from the side. Looking at multiple angles can help you catch those issues before top coating. One of the reasons I love the Lazy Girl method is because the tip is already doing so much of the work. Instead of building an entire nail from scratch, we're refining an existing shape. That makes it easier for beginners to create a thinner, more natural result, as long as we avoid overbuilding. If your nails keep looking thicker than you want, don't assume you need better products. Most of the time, it's a combination of product placement, filing, and structure. And remember, we're not trying to build a nail. The tip already did that. We're just refining it. If this video helped, let me know which tip you're going to try first, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!